Stop staring at blank pages. Stop wasting hours dragging boxes around in PowerPoint. What if you could take a messy wall of text and turn it into a professional visual in literally one click? This is Napkin AI. The concept is simple. Napkin is a visual AI for business. It takes your raw text and automatically converts it into storytelling visuals. How it works is incredibly straightforward. You don't need complex prompts. You just paste your existing text, whether it's a doc, a slide, or notes, and click to generate. But the cool part is the customization. It's not a static image. You can swap icons, change the layout from a mind map to a funnel, and even adjust the connectors. It's fully editable. Once you're happy, you're not locked in. You can export directly to PNG, PDF, or even PowerPoint to drop straight into your deck. It's built for everything, spicing up boring documentation, making presentation slides impactful, or creating quick infographics for social media. From explaining credit scores to visualizing renewable energy sources, the library seems massive. But looking at the website is one thing. Let's actually try it. Okay, let's put it to the test. I'm going to paste in a boring, standard paragraph about a coffee shop business model. Usually this would just be bullet points. I highlight the text, click the lightning bolt, and boom. Look at that. It instantly understood I was describing a process and gave me a flowchart. I don't love this specific layout, so I'll click through the variations. Let's go with this circular one. I can even click the icons to swap them out for something more specific. In less than 30 seconds, I turned a paragraph into a slide-ready graphic. That is a massive time saver. I've dropped the link to Napkin in the description below. It's free to try, so go check it out. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the best AI tools, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.